I have iPhone XR and let me show you top tricks for the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen, find and select the settings, and here let's use the screen time, the new feature for the iOS. As you can see here, you've got the information about your screen time. You can also here set up, for example, the downtime, so you can set a schedule for time away from the screen right here by using the switcher. Here you've got the start and end time. You can also here go back and you can use the apps limits. You can add limit for the apps, for example, from social network or from the games. You may also here go back and you can allow for some apps that can be used always right here. You can also use some content and privacy restrictions, and basically you can here set up a couple of useful options. So that's it, let's go for the second trick. Let me show you the amazing feature, which is the measure. So let's find and select the utilities right here and choose measure. As you can see here, you can measure things. Let's just point some place on the screen. Let me tap measure. All right. Here, for example, you can recognize some objects right here and you can measure them, or you can just tap on some point on the screen and you can measure that point right here. So that's it. Let me tap clear, and basically you can measure everything that you would like to by using that feature. If you would like to go back, let's use this back key, and let me quit the measure app, and let's go for the third trick. Let me show you how to open the field mode. So let's use the phone's dialer, and here you need to enter this secret code: *3001 pound 12345 pound asterisk. And now let's use the phone icon. As you can see, the main menu of field mode pops up. You can here use device info, for example, the SIM files. You can also read the information about LTE right here, about the UMTS, for example, the active barriers, serving cell info, or you can use GSM information. So that's it. Let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the emergency SOS information. Let's tap settings. Here let's scroll down and choose emergency SOS. So you can here, for example, call with side button. Let's enable this option. So you can call emergency SOS when you would like to call somebody in emergency situation, just by tapping 5 times the side button. Let me show you. And if you press one more time the side button, the device will call the emergency institutions. Or you can also here set up emergency contacts. So you can tap next and you can here enter the first name, last name, the date of birth, the sex, height and weight right here. Really important information. Let me go back. And here you can also, for example, use some auto call. So you may still need to specify an emergency service to dial when you are using emergency call in certain regions. And you may set up other emergency settings right here. Alright, let's go back, and now let me show you the last trick, so the assistive touch. Let's find and select general, and let's choose accessibility. Here let's scroll down to choose the assistive touch. Let's enable this feature, and as you can see, the following assistive touch pops up. You can place it wherever you want just by holding and moving this key. And as you can see here, we've got a couple of options that you can use. You can customize this level menu. Here we've got some icons, you can add more, or you can just change something right here. You can also tap reset to have some default options. And for example, you can also use the single tap option, for example in my case, to take a screenshot. And now if I press the assistive touch, the screenshot is captured. So that's it. Everything is right here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.